Hi everyone, my name is Michaela Upcott, and I'm originally from a little town in northern Maine called Lincoln. Um, Currently, I am a second year graduate assistant at Bob Jones, so I've been in Greenville for about 6 years, but home is definitely still in Maine. That's where my parents are. Let's see, I'm actually working on a degree in communication studies, and my undergrad was in communication as well. So what ended up happening was there weren't enough elective credits for me to finish out a degree in communication studies at the master's level because I had already taken a lot of the upper level electives. And so I got special permission to take an educational leadership class, and that's how I got here. So this looked like the most interesting class I could take this semester so that I could graduate in May. And my whole family is just chock full of teachers, and I'm currently an English teaching assistant, actually, for English 102. So education is definitely something that does interest me, and definitely looking forward to this class. Future hopes and dreams after graduation, I definitely want to go back to Maine. I'm currently job hunting, so that's exciting and adventurous. I'm looking at a couple of digital marketing type firms in southern Maine. The wave of digital marketing processes is kind of just starting to hit Maine, and so I'm kind of trying to ride the wave of progress on in. And hoping to expand that eventually into northern Maine. After a few years of experience, would like to start my own freelance social media marketing business, just kind of on my own as something that I'm passionate about. I almost wrote a thesis on social media, so that's something that'll probably come up a lot. I can link just about anything to social media. I'm also very passionate about music, so it excites me that this class is being taught by a fellow musician. I've been in the choral program for all 6 years that I've spent here at Bob Jones, come all the way up through the choral system, and so that's been a big passion of mine. I play piano also. I did a stint in band in high school where I played the flute, so music will probably come up, music education. It's kind of something that I enjoy learning about. So I'm looking forward to this class and getting forward to know the other people in it, and it'll be an exciting part of the semester.